My goodness, I'm gonna try my very first bath bomb. This is from Lush, and it's very pretty. It's pink and purple with looks like a rose in the top. I think they're bath melts, and I'm just so excited to try it. I've never tried a bath bomb before. I'm with little Minion. He's tired. So we're gonna see how this goes. So hopefully it'll be exciting and it'll fizz and be really pretty. So I'm going to put it in. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's fizzing. Oh, it's going away. There it is. Oh, it smells really good. The water's, ooh, it's really pretty purple and pink and oh, it's so pretty. Oh, the water is like turned it really like silky and really pretty. I'm so excited. It's like filling the bathroom with this amazing aroma. This is so cool. Wow. Let's see if I can move some of this around. Still going. It's really pretty. Oh my gosh, my tub is pink. I love it. Oh, this is so cool. I never had one of these before. Wow. It's like really milky and oh, it smells so good. I think that was it. It's pretty amazing. Alright, I'm gonna take a bath. Bye.